Hello everyone, welcome back to my computer video. So we have started the chapter internet as a post office, right? So today we will start the topic email services. Okay, so in the last video you have seen the different terms used in internet. Okay, so what is email services? Email is an electronic message sent from one computer to another computer. Okay, it is an electronic message. Like we send any letter or any application through post office. So it is an online service. Email is an online service which is used to send messages from one computer to another computer. So you need internet connection and email ID. The message can include text, pictures and sound. So anything you can send by using email services. Okay, so what are the advantages of email services? So these are the five four main advantages. First is speed. So email is very quicker than normal post. So message can reach within a second any part of the world, right? Then content. Content means you can write thousands lines, 100 lines, okay, in an email message. So you're free to write anything. But if you are sending by post office, you will need, if you are writing 100 lines, then you will need more pages. That means if you are sending to many people, 100 people, then you need 100 letters. But here in email, you can send any letter to 100 people without any cost. Cost is there is no charge. So see, costs written, that means no charge of sending and receiving any email messages. But if you send by post office, there is a charge. Receiving messages, that means when we can receive the message anytime, and it is stored in the email account. But in normal post, if postman comes and you in your home, nobody is in your home, then he takes back the letter, so you'll not get the letter. But in email it does not happen like this. So when email comes, it will stored in the inbox. Okay, then you can open it and read it anytime. Understanding? So they are the advantages of email. Now email addresses. For sending and receiving email, you need email addresses. Email address means email ID. It is a unique identification of every email account. So you have to create an email ID, email address to send and receive email. So there are two parts of email address. So one is username and the login name. Okay. So user's login name and the computer's address. So what is it? User's login name comes first and is separated from the computer's fully qualified domain name by an and symbol. So this is the and symbol. So there are two parts of email address, that is one is username and another is computer address. Okay, the company's name. Like for example, in email address, this is email address Elson underscore company. Okay, this is the username. You can write any username, you can give any username, your name also, at the rate hotmail.com. So hotmail.com is the computer address, or you can say the website address, or you can say the company's address. So Elson company is the username and hotmail.com is an address on the internet. Okay, understood? So these are the two main parts of an email ID, email address. Next is features of email. So when you create an email account, so you will open the email account by giving the password and the user ID. So when you open the email account, then you will see this screen you will see. This is the screen of email account, and this is Gmail account. Okay, there are many types of email services: Gmail, Rediff Mail, Yahoo Mail. So this is a Gmail. Gmail is the service provided by Google. So what are the things, what are the components present, what are the folders present in the email account? First is inbox. So inbox means where the messages comes and stores. See, it stores the incoming email messages, showing all the unread messages as highlighted. So this is the inbox folder. See, inbox folder is in red color, and here bracket is written 3. 3 means 3 messages has come and it is not yet read. When you read this message, when you open this message, then 3 will go. Okay, and this color will also become black. So inbox is a folder where all the incoming messages are stored. Okay, and inbox there are 5 groups: primary, social, promotion, updates and forums. So different types of messages are categorized and it is stored here. It is automatically done by the email. Next is draft folder. Draft folder is here, you can see draft. So draft is about it stores messages that you started to write but have not yet sent. That means whenever you're writing some messages and in between you have left writing, not writing, so you can save it in the email account. So it will be saved in the draft. Okay. Later on again you can open it and you can write it and again send it. Then send mail. Send mail means it is again a next folder. It stores the messages that you have sent. Okay. The messages which you have sent already, it will have the record of all the messages that you have sent. Then trash. Trash means it stores the deleted messages like recycle bin in computer. So whatever you delete in computer, it goes to recycle bin, right? So here also, if you delete any message in email, then it will go to trash folder. Next is contact folder. Contact means in mobile phone also there is a contact app. So where all the email address of your friends and relatives are stored here. Okay. Next is commands for working with email. What are the things you need to work with an email? So first is compose. Compose means this facility will let you create a new email message. So whenever you want to send any message, you have to click on compose button. So here you can see this is the compose button. Big button is the compose button. So when you click here in compose button, one screen will come and there you have to write the body of the letter. Next is reply. You can reply to a message using reply command which appears for every message that you open to read. Okay, so reply feature is also there in every messages. So if somebody send you a message and you want to reply on that message, so you can click on reply button. Next is forward. So forward, like in WhatsApp you also do some, suppose you have received some good photograph, then you want to send it to another friend, then what you do, you forward the photo. So here also same thing, if you receive any email, you want to again send it to another person, then you can use this forward feature. This lets you forward received email messages to someone else. Okay. Then delete option is there to delete the unwanted messages. Next is print means you can take out the printout of the messages using this option. Next is attachment. These are the functions. This option allows you to attach any files such as word file, image file, sound file, video file, any file you can attach by this feature. Okay, these are the commands, these are the features you can use in email. Next is how to open an email account. So you have understood what is email, what are the folders inside the email account, then what are the features you can use. So how to open an email account? First of all you have to connect to the internet with any web browser. Then you have to type there www.google.co.in. So you can, if you want to make your email account in any other website, then you can type any other website like rediff.com, yahoo.com, any website. So every website provides these features. So this Google will open, then click on Gmail. See here, this Google page has opened here. Now you can click here Gmail. Click here Gmail, then this Gmail homepage will come. Okay, this is the Gmail sign in page. So here you have to click on create an account. So you can see here it is written create an account. You have to click here, then only you can create an account. Okay, after clicking on create an account, you will get this screen again. And the next screen is this screen. You have to register yourself. You have to create an account. You have to register yourself by your name. You have to choose your username. You have to create one password. Then you have to give your birth date, some information you have to share, and then you have to click on OK, submit. Okay, so this is the next page. So after that, when you click on OK, then the Gmail will create an account, okay, on your name. So this is the welcome page. When your account is created, the Gmail will send one message. So your new email address is this one and it is successfully created. So continue to Gmail. When you click on continue to Gmail, here this first email account page will open. So here all the folders will be there. Okay, so from here you can send any message, receive any message, read any message. So this is your email account. Understood? So all of you need to open an email account. Okay, I will give you some project. So you have to create an email account and you have to give me your email address. Okay, later on I will do all these things. Next is after opening an account, now you want to send any message. So where you click, you will click on compose button. Okay, this is the compose button. You will click on compose button, then one screen will open, one window will open. So this is the window of compose button. When you click on compose button, this window will open. Okay, so this is the place where you will write the messages. This is the place. Okay, here the body of the letter, body of the message you will write here. To means whom you are sending. You have to write the email address of that person whom you are sending this message. Subject means you have to write this topic, about what topic you are sending. Like in letter writing also you write subject. First of all you write to the principal, suppose, then subject, prayer for leave, everything, then you start writing the body of the letter. Understood? Here you write everything. After writing everything, if you want to attach any file, suppose you want to attach any photo or video, then you have to click here in this clip. Okay, this is a clip button, you have to click here, then everything will be attached. Then after doing everything you have to click on send button. So when you click on send button, then your message will be sent to that person. Then after that you can see here in the next page what is given. So in the new message, when you're sending an email, so there are two features again you can see here, CC and BCC. BCC and CC are what? These are the two features. CC stands for carbon copy. That means it allows you to send the same message to two or more people at one go. That means if you want to send same message to many people, like one invitation card you want to send to 100 people, okay, then you can write in BCC. Okay, two. So here you can write BCC means you can give the email ID of 100 people here. Okay, you can write the email ID of 100 people by giving comma comma. Understanding or not? And all the 100 people will receive the invitation card in the same time. This is called carbon copy. Next is BCC means blind carbon copy. It allows you to send the same message to several people without letting them know that others have also received the same mail. So what is the difference between CC and BCC? So they are both the same, but the difference in blind carbon copy is what? It will also send the message to 100 people, but they will not know who else are getting this same message. Okay, so it keeps the message secret. Okay, it keeps the identification secret, who else are getting this same message. That is why it is called blind carbon copy. Okay, and here in carbon copy everybody will know whom I have sent the messages. Everybody will know. Understanding? So these are the two features in compose email. Now here again, here you can write the subject, then you can do the text formatting. Text formatting means you can click here in text formatting, you can make your writing stylish, bold, italics, underline, all these things. And here I have seen, I have told you already that there is a paper clip button where you can attach your files. That means any video file, audio file, image file, anything. Now go to next page. See here it is written, shown here, any type of file you can send, attach here, insert a link here, anything. Okay, next topic is creating signatures. What is the meaning of signatures? So after writing any letter or application, you write what? You write your yours faithfully and your name and address you write. Okay, am I correct? So here also, if you are sending email, if you are sending an application to many people, suppose you have one small business, so you have to send daily one email, not one, many 10 to 15 emails you have to send. Then how many times you will write your name and address? So you can fix your name and address at the bottom of the message. Okay, so this signature feature will give this facility. The signature is text such as your contact information that is automatically inserted at the bottom of every message you create. Okay, so it will automatically create your name and address, so no need to write it again and again. Okay, so these are the steps given. You have to click on setting. Okay, the corner, top corner, you can see here in the next page it is given in the top corner. This is the setting. So here in setting you can click on setting button, then signature section will come, then you have to write your name and address, whatever you want to write. So after clicking on setting, this is signature, so you can write your name and address. It will be permanently fixed at the bottom of your email. Next is, at last, after doing everything, you have sent an email to any person. After doing everything, now you want to go out. That means you want to close the email account. So do not simply close it by clicking the cross button here. Okay, you can see the cross button here in the top right corner. So do not do it. It is wrong. So you have to go out of the email account. So you have to do sign out. log out or sign out. Okay, suppose you want to off your computer, then what you do, you click on start button and click on shutdown button, then only your computer is closed. So here also same thing, you have to properly go out of your email account. That this function is known as, this is known as sign out, and somewhere it is known as log out. So click your account name or photo on the right of the window and select sign out. So where you will get this, so here in your email account or some photo is there, so click on here and you will get this sign out. Okay, so it is very important to close your account properly, especially when you are using a public or shared computer. If you do not sign out properly, then anybody else will use your account and do anything. Okay, it is very dangerous if you are not if you are not signing out of your account. It is very dangerous. This will prevent misuse of your account by other people who will use this computer. Okay, suppose you are sitting in a cyber cafe, you have open your account and simply closed it. So some other person will sit on that computer and he can open your account again because it is not properly signed out. Okay, so when you click on sign out, then it will automatically go out of your account, and somebody else again if sit on that computer, then he cannot open your account again. He needs password and username. Okay, so it is very important to sign out from your account. Now next page. So in the next page you can see information retrieval. So internet is the most common source of retrieving information. Retrieve means getting. Okay, searching and getting any information. So internet is the most popular way of searching and receiving any information nowadays, right? You can get any type of information on the internet. So internet has made it easy to access and share information which can be in the form of text, pictures, audio or video. So any type of information you can get or you can share in the internet. Okay, text, pictures, audio, video, anything. So searching for information on the internet or exploring the internet is known as surfing. Okay, this is called surfing. In general language it is called surfing, searching and using the internet. So how it is searched? So some software is needed to search any information. That softwares, that programs are known as search engine. A search engine is a program that searches the web for specified keywords and returns list of web pages in which the keywords are found. Okay, suppose you are searching something about New Delhi. Okay, so when you type New Delhi in any search engine, then it will show you list of search list. Okay, there you can click on any link, then the information will open. So search engine is a program which lets you to search anything. Okay, so most popular search engine is google.com. Okay, so whatever you want to search, you simply open Google, then you write anything on that and click on search button, right? You do like this. So in the next page it is given, see, this is the Google. So suppose here you have search features of Gmail, so all this list of features of Gmail will come. Whatever you want, you can click here and it will open the website. So it is very important. Search engine is the most important thing in internet to search any information. Okay, education through internet. So nowadays education through internet is a very common thing. Like in this COVID situation, okay, from last 2 years we are using online classes, online studies are going on. So education through the internet has become very much common and very much useful nowadays. And here, now also I am doing the same thing, education through internet. Okay, so here many websites are there for learning and study purposes. Okay, so microsoft.com.learning, e-learning for kids, bbc.co.uk. So many educational sites are there for medical coaching, engineering coaching, and management entrance. Many things are there. Next is finding people on the internet. Next thing is you can search and find your old friends or relatives or anybody in the internet. So there are many useful websites by which you can search any people, you can find any people. So they are whowhere.com. Next page, see. Next is anywho.com, peoplefinders.com, peopleyahoo.com, facebook.com, and you are very well known of Facebook, right? So here you can search, you can find any people and you can make friend of it, right? So these are the home page of anywho.com. Understood? So these were all about this chapter, internet chapter. So in this chapter is very much useful to understand about the internet. Okay, so please study this chapter nicely. I hope you have understood this chapter nicely. Okay, please watch this full video. Thank you.